Welcome to 1138 South La Cienega, unit number 24. This is an upper full-size single, which means it has a separate full kitchen and a separate full bath. It's got those real hardwood floors, and yes, it has a real kitchen with a gas stove and fridge, and it gets plenty of natural sunlight. It is on the second floor, so it overlooks the pool. There is laundry in the building. And feel free to check out the rest of the video tour with a full bath and lots of closet space. If you have any questions or you want to see the place in person, just text or call me and we'll sort it out from there. Thanks and have a beautiful weekend. Oh, and yes, there is laundry on the premises.